Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gemlin, and welcome to InnerSpace. A few years ago, we set out to focus on a new category of product, something that impacts us daily, and we've been focused on a very long and hard time in trying to make something that's easy and that's simple. And we think this product's going to revolutionize this new category. And of course, I'm very excited to be able to share it with you guys today. And here it is. So meet Johnny 5. So Johnny 5 brings maps and location to the indoors. So we took the pain and complexity of mapping the indoor spaces to make it dead simple for any business to deploy indoor location. And we do this fast, so we can map an entire building literally in seconds. So about 2 years ago, we looked at GPS and maps, the two core technologies that were introduced roughly about 15 years ago, and all the applications that have come about thanks to these two core technologies, creating roughly a $50 billion market. Yet we spend roughly only 10% of our time outside. So we identified a gap in the market for a product that can simplify indoor mapping and location, driven by a groundswell of people who expect the same experience we have outside indoors. So we've developed hardware and software technology that makes this possible. Now let me show you how it works. So inside Johnny 5 are spatial sensors and a series of Wi-Fi and Bluetooth radios. So all a customer has to do is simply give Johnny power, and he begins to automatically map the indoors, creating a 3D map in seconds that knows the walls, the doorways, the aisles, the windows. And each Johnny 5 talks to our cloud powered by Bluemix that creates a digital understanding of that space in real time. Lastly, he provides location services to enable experiences on mobile, as well as spatial analytics that start to generate behavioral patterns about that space. And we use that to drive value for our customers so they know what's happening inside of their business, whether that's an office space, a hospital, or a retail setting. It's really big data in the cloud powered by a small, I would agree, fairly friendly looking product. So on the back end, we use spatial sensors, LiDAR primarily that powers this experience, along with Wi-Fi and location tracking, so fairly mature technologies with something fairly new around LiDAR. And we're integrating with the Rogers API to provide ground truth, as well as a turnkey solution. So there's cellular embedded. We use a mesh network for each Johnny 5 to talk to each other, again, to make that installation process very simple and very turnkey. So this is an example of what a store would look like using our analytics package. So a customer can see new returning traffic, understand the behavioral patterns that are influencing some of the metrics that are important for that business. And this could be in an office space, understanding how to drive productivity, how to drive collaboration, in a hospital around asset tracking, or one of our customers in retail, understanding how sales actually happen. And so what this really means for our customers and for us is a major competitive advantage. We think that the customers who can learn the fastest about what's happening inside of their space are the ones that will win. And through our technology, we give them the data, we give them the insights to be able to understand how to drive increase in their metrics that are important for them, which means equally for them a high ROI on the platform. And for that reason, enabling them with this competitive advantage to win in their market, this is our competitive advantage as well. So on the pricing side, we want to make this dead simple. We included hardware and software, and we price it on a per square foot model of 10 cents a square foot, all in. So hardware is included on our side. We recover that cost of the hardware fairly quickly, usually within the first month or two. But the benefit for our customers, they don't have to worry about the number of Johnny 5 units required for that space. That's a cost that we incur. Again, simplicity is key in this market, and thanks to this technology, we're pretty proud of what we've been able to deliver. So just to wrap up, we think we were building something here that's quite special, that will change the world, change how we interact with each other indoors, change how businesses drive their ROI. And our vision, long term, is to be the platform that powers all of these indoor experiences. Earlier, Beacon of Hope is an example of a great application that we, thanks to our platform, would be primed to enable. And based on the traction that we're seeing within only a few categories, we're pretty confident that we'll be able to realize this vision. That's it. Thanks, guys.
Wow, thank you.